This is our armrest. We will show you how to remove the armrest. This is the inside of the armrest. You will see 3 black knobs. The top 2 are flower nuts and the bottom one is a flower screw. Now we're removing the flower screw at the bottom of the armrest. Completely loosen this flower screw. Now we will show you how it looks on the chair. These are the 2 top flower nuts. You have to bring up the Velcro seat cushion. You might bend it up a little to gain easier access to these flower nuts. After removing these flower nuts here, make sure you completely loosen them. Remove the power cord. After fastening these 4 screws here, now we will show you how to replace the remote control. You unfasten these 4 screws at the switch box of the chair. You completely unfasten them, loosen them all the way using your Phillips screwdriver, and then you pull out the box slightly. Don't pull it out all the way because there's a ground wire there hooked up to the inside of the chair. It might snap if you pull it all completely off. Now you locate the harness inside of this fuse box. It's a rainbow colored wires, the black plugs. Now this is the harness. This plug connects to the remote control. You pull out the harness, you detach it like so, and you pull it out from its housing in the switch box. Now you are ready to replace the remote control. You put back into the housing and you snap it back into the harness, plug it back together like so. Now you reinstall the switch box and use the 4 screws again and tighten them like how you loosened them before. Make sure you tighten all 4 screws.